Subscribe to Boostup Station if you haven't, and today we are going to install GNOME extensions in any Linux distro. Open up this web page in your favorite browser, and it works for all of the browsers. So I am using here Mozilla Firefox. So this is where I want to install the extension from. I am going to open it in a new tab, and let us add it to Firefox. Click on add. Okay, got it. Now we have installed this GNOME extension. If you click on it, it brings us to the extensions page. And now it is saying that although GNOME Shell integration extension is running, we need to have the host connector. For that, go to the same page and scroll down. And according to your Linux distribution, you have to execute the command. Like for Arch and other Arch based distros, execute this command to install that host connector. Here we are using Debian, it means Ubuntu, a Debian based distro. So we are going to execute this command. Copy it from here. And similarly, you can check your Linux distro, right? And we have Ubuntu here too. This is the same command as the Debian. So let us go to the terminal now and paste the command that you just copied and press enter. Now type the user password and press enter. And it is downloaded and installing the host connector, right? Now let us wait for it, and it has been successfully installed. Now try to refresh this extensions website, and you will be able to see that the warning has gone. So let us try to install some extension. Like I want to install this clipboard indicator. Click on it. So here is the page. Just turn this on from here. Okay. And now after turning this option on, it is showing us this pop-up to install the extension. So just click on install. And you see the extension in the top, right? So we have successfully installed GNOME extension. Same you have to do for all of the other GNOME extensions. Just go to this extensions page, search for your extension and install it. Very easy step. So now when you have installed the extension, you have two options to go to the configuration of this extension. Like right click on the top panel extension and click on settings, and it will bring up the configuration of the extension. Or you can just refresh the page where the extension is, and you can click on this blue icon, configure this extension. It will also bring up the configuration of the extension. One more method is there. You click on installed extensions, and here you will be seeing all of the extensions that have been installed using this GNOME extension. Okay, and now click on this blue icon, same. This also brings up the configuration of the extension. And for the auto update and other features, right click on the extension that we installed in the first place. Click on manage extension, click on these three dots, click on preferences, and here you can choose other options also, like update check period. You can change it to lower hours or more, and you can check for update of enabled extensions only. So we have a lot of options right here. So this way we can install GNOME extensions in any Linux distro. So please subscribe to Boostup Station, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.